car vacuum cleaners remove pet hair efficiently, keeping vehicles clean, odor-free, hygienic, and maintaining fresh interiors during travel. Today's video is about top 5 best car vacuum cleaners for pet hair that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Magic John High Power Car Vacuum Cleaner. The Ckikh John Cordless Handheld Vacuum is an impressive cleaning tool designed especially for pet owners dealing with stubborn pet hair and everyday messes. Its powerful 20,000 Pascal suction, driven by a 120W pure copper motor, easily removes pet hair, dust, cat litter, and debris from couches, carpets, car interiors, and hard-to-reach areas. The automatic roller brush works efficiently, making cleaning faster and less tiring. The large 720 ml dust container is a major advantage, reducing the need for constant emptying during bigger cleaning sessions. With dual suction modes and a long-lasting 10,400 mAh battery, the vacuum provides reliable performance for both quick cleanups and deeper cleaning tasks. Fast Type-C charging adds extra convenience for busy users. The dual filtration system with washable HEPA and steel filters helps maintain strong suction while trapping fine dust particles effectively. Useful extras like the LED light, flexible hose, and multiple cleaning attachments make this vacuum highly versatile. Overall, it's a practical, powerful, and user-friendly handheld vacuum that offers excellent value for pet owners and everyday home cleaning. Now our second product is Relidol High Power Car Vacuum Cleaner. The VC038S cordless handheld vacuum is a powerful and practical cleaning solution, especially for pet owners struggling with stubborn pet hair and daily messes. With strong 20,000 Pascal suction power, it easily removes pet hair, dust, cat litter, and debris from carpets, couches, car interiors, and tight spaces. The built-in automatic roller brush makes cleaning more efficient and helps save time during everyday use. Its large 720 ml dust bin is a standout feature, allowing longer cleaning sessions without constant emptying. The 10,400 mAh battery delivers solid runtime with both Eco and Max suction modes, while Type-C fast charging keeps downtime minimal. The LED light is also useful for cleaning dark corners or under furniture. The dual filtration system with washable HEPA and steel filters helps maintain strong suction while effectively trapping fine particles. Multiple accessories, including a flexible hose and crevice nozzle, improve versatility for different cleaning tasks. Combined with durable construction and a generous 3-year replacement promise, the VC038S offers excellent convenience, performance, and value for pet owners and everyday home cleaning. Our third product is Ckikh Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. This cordless handheld vacuum cleaner offers impressive cleaning performance in a compact and lightweight design. With powerful 15,000 Pascal cyclonic suction and a high-speed 72,000 revolutions per minute motor, it easily removes dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from cars, carpets, furniture, and tight corners. The cyclonic technology helps maintain strong suction while keeping the filters cleaner for longer-lasting efficiency. The included attachments make the vacuum highly versatile for both home and car cleaning. The long nozzle, brush tool, and flexible hose are especially useful for reaching sofa gaps, under seats, keyboards, and delicate surfaces. Despite its strong performance, the vacuum remains lightweight and comfortable to handle, making extended cleaning easier. Its 7,800 mAh battery provides up to 30 minutes of runtime, which is suitable for daily cleaning tasks, while Type-C fast charging adds convenience. The dual filtration system with HEPA and washable metal filters improves dust capture and helps prevent suction loss. Overall, this handheld vacuum combines portability, strong suction, and practical accessories, making it an excellent choice for every day cleaning at home, in the car, or while traveling. Now number 4, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Hand Vacuum is a convenient and effective cleaning tool designed specifically for pet owners. Its cordless design makes it easy to clean wherever pet hair collects, whether on carpets, furniture, stairs, or inside car interiors. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for quick cleanups without the hassle of dragging around a full-size vacuum. The motorized foot delivers strong suction that lifts embedded pet hair and dirt more effectively than standard handheld vacuums. The included crevice tool is perfect for reaching tight corners, between cushions, and other difficult areas, while the upholstery tool works especially well on soft furniture and fabric surfaces. The felt-line design helps attract stubborn pet hair for more efficient cleaning. Another advantage is the dual-layer filtration system, which helps maintain suction performance and extends filter life while making maintenance easier. Beyond performance, purchasing this vacuum also supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, adding extra value for animal lovers. Overall, it's a reliable, user-friendly handheld vacuum that makes pet hair cleanup fast, simple, and convenient. And our last choice is Black Plus Ckikh Home and Car Vacuum. This 12V Max lithium-ion cordless hand vacuum delivers strong and reliable suction performance, making it a practical choice for everyday cleaning at home and in the car. Its lightweight, portable design allows easy handling, so users can quickly tackle dirt, crumbs, and pet hair without dealing with bulky equipment or cords. The built-in extendable crevice tool is especially useful for reaching tight spaces such as between sofa cushions, car seats, and corners where dust tends to accumulate. The anti-tangle motorized brush with rubber bristles is another standout feature, effectively lifting stubborn debris and pet hair from carpets and upholstery. Emptying the vacuum is simple thanks to the one-touch easy empty translucent dust bowl, which helps avoid mess during disposal. Maintenance is also straightforward, with a washable bowl and filter that help maintain optimal suction over time. Overall, this cordless hand vacuum combines strong performance, user-friendly design, and convenient maintenance features, making it a dependable cleaning tool for both home and vehicle use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.